Next up, we are having for Dr. V. Vijay Kumar, Dean, School of Communications, XIM University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. We felicitate Dr. Vijay Kumar. He has completed his PhD at Anna University, Chennai. He worked with Sun TV Network, Chennai, Shop CJTV Network, Mumbai, Frames Entertainment, Chennai, India in senior roles. He was the creative head and show director of an award-winning Tamil reality talent hunt show, Nalaya Iyakunar, future director, and South India's first reality television show for identical twins, Iruvar. We are honored to have him with us and to recognize his contributions through this honorary award. May I request Dr. V. Vijay Kumar to kindly come forward. Can we give him a bigger round of applause?
Respected dignitaries, faculty from various institutions, faculty from the Department of Visual Communication, guests, awardees, dear students, and my dear alma mater, Loyola College, Chennai. I am deeply honored and humbled to receive this Media Catalyst 2026 award today. Standing here at the Reverend Father Xavier Rajan SJ Amphitheatre. In this place only I studied. I spent my 3 years of undergraduation. We did not have a constructed building like that. So it's very nostalgic. And this institution, this space gave foundation for my academics, for my creative foundation. It's an emotional and meaningful moment in my professional life. As an alumnus of the Department of Visual Communication, Loyola College, has not merely been an institution for me. It's been a formative space that nurtured my critical thinking, creative sensibilities, and commitment to media education. The values of intellectual rigor, social responsibility, and ethical engagement with media that I embed are continued to guide by this same old institution. This recognition is not just a personal milestone, but a reflection of enduring mentorship, inspiration, and academic culture that this own institution, Loyola College, instilled in all the students, that includes me. The lessons I learned within this space, the classrooms, the creative spaces significantly influenced my work in media and communication, now currently teaching, research, and engaging with young minds, students, and particularly in understanding media as a tool for social change and cultural dialogue. I dedicate this award to my teachers. When I was doing my undergraduation, 3 years of visual communication, I was having only 4 professors. Father Rajanayagam, Father Alex Jerome, Professor Henry Maria Victor, and Professor Suresh Paul. So 4 professors drastically changed our lives, very positively changed. Thank you to my teachers and to my mentors, because I spent close to around 15 years in media industry, worked for Sun TV Network, worked for Nalaya Iyakunar shows and stuff like that. So to all my mentors, colleagues, Professor Vijay Ratnakumar, Professor Alex Parimalam, and many other professors, friends, and colleagues, and students who have been an integral part of my journey. I'm especially grateful to the Department of Visual Communication for remembering its alumni and for fostering a continuous bond between past and present generation of media scholars and practitioners. I believe there are a couple of students here. I missed Professor Milton. I'm extremely sorry, sir. I did not see you. Okay. So I believe a couple of students are here. So to those students present here, I would like to say your idea, creativity, and commitment to meaningful media practice can shape the future of communication in powerful ways. use media not only for to be a professional person, but not to be a profession, but no, as a social responsibility. Thanks again, once again, to the Department of Visual Communication, to Father Justin, the current head of the department, to principal, deputy principals, vice principal, all the administrators of Visual Communication and Loyola College for this honor. It is truly a privilege to receive this recognition from a renowned and a century-old institution like Loyola College. I remember when Loyola was celebrating 75th anniversary, I was doing my undergraduation year. Now we completed 100 years. It gives lots of pride. Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity and the time. God bless all.